The block with mass m1 is equal to 24 kg shown in figure accelerates down and to the left, and the block with mass m2 is equal to 13 kg accelerates up. There is no friction between the block and the inclined plane, and the pulley is frictionless and light. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of the blocks. Find the magnitude of the force that the cable exerts on each block. For this, we will draw the free body diagram and write the force equations. Okay. Now, here, this is the mass m1 and mass m2. And this is the mass m1 is on an inclined plane with an angle of inclination 37 degrees. Okay. Now here, this is the for mass m2, this is Fg and this is F tension. And then for mass m1, this is F tension, and then this is Fg parallel. And this is Fg, and this is Fg perpendicular. And this is Fn. Okay. Now, what we have to find out? We have to find out the acceleration and also the tension in the string cable. Okay. Here, the inclined plane is frictionless, and mass m1 is accelerating downwards. Okay. Now let us write the force equation for m2. For m2, I will write Fg. Fg is equal to, here it is 13 kgs, 13 into 9.8. 13 into 9.8 is equal to 127.4. And then for m1, Fg is equal to Fg parallel, we have to write. So Fg parallel is equal to mg sine theta, that is equal to 24 times 9.8 times sine 37 degrees. This gives a value of, how much the value? 141.49 newtons. This is Fg parallel. Okay. Now we can proceed further. As the block m1 is sliding down, m2 moves up. Therefore, the force equation will be sigma Fy is equal to Ft minus Fg is equal to Ma. Okay. And then Ft is equal to Fg. Fg is 127. 127.4 plus mass is 13, no? So 13A. This is Ft. Now we have to write for the force equation of m1. Now we will write for sigma Fx. Sigma Fx is equal to, it is going down. Okay. So that is why Fg parallel minus F tension is equal to m2A. No, this is m1. Sorry, m1A. That is m2A. This is m1A. Now, Fg parallel we already found out 141.59 newtons minus F tension is 127.4 minus 127.4 minus 13A is equal to 24A. M1 is equal to 24, therefore 24A. Therefore, this value is 14.19 is equal to 37A. Or A is equal to 0.38 meters per second square. Okay. Now this is the acceleration. That's what he asked us to find out. A bit. This is the A bit. And then B bit, we have to find out the tension. So we will substitute A value in this. So we will get the tension. So Ft is equal to 127.4 plus 13 times 0.38. So Ft is equal to 132.37 newtons. This is the answer for this one. That's it. Hope this helps. Thank you. Bye-bye.